Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are doing very good. And this is your English teacher. I welcome you all to your Zoom English online class summary. So I hope your Eid vacations went very good, and I welcome you all after Eid. So let's just start our class. What we have learned today in our online class, we have learned about antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are known as word opposite. Word opposite you people have learned in your class 1 and then class 2, and again we are going to learn these word opposite in our class 3 again. Okay, so the word that is used for word opposite is called antonym. Okay, so for example, if there is a word cold, there is a word cold. What is the opposite of cold? The opposite of cold is hot, गर्म. Cold ठंडा, hot गर्म. ठीक है, ये एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल उलट हैं, मुतज़ाद हैं, जिसको हम उर्दू में मुतज़ाद कहते हैं, इंग्लिश में उसको ऑपोजिट कहते हैं. ठीक है. So there, let's just start some more antonyms here. There is number one word is clever. Clever. What will be its opposite? The opposite of clever is foolish. Okay, foolish. Clever means होशियार, चालाक, and foolish means बेवकूफ़ या फिर नादान. ठीक है. So the word you have learned a story. Yeah, you have heard about a story that is clever fox and the foolish crow. Here the fox is clever. That means fox जो है वो होशियार है. Fox is clever. Okay, the fox is clever while the crow is foolish. The crow is foolish. The both are opposite of each other. Okay. Then the next word is high. What does high means? High means up, ऊंचा, ऊपर. Low means low is the opposite of high, and low means नीचे, कम. ठीक है. You can see on your screen there are two monkeys on a tree. One is low and the second one is high. Then there is an aeroplane here in the sky. One aeroplane is high in the air, and the helicopter is low in the air. So the opposite of high is low. Number 3 is good. Good. Good means अच्छा, and the opposite of good is bad. Opposite of good is bad. Here you can see that the person, there is a boy who is throwing a litter in the bin. So when we throw litter inside the bin, this is a good habit. And when we throw the litter outside the bin, that is the bad habit. We are not going to do this thing. You people should also not do this kind of act. Like you should throw litter into the bin always and always. If you are at home or in the school or outside the school or home, you should always and always put litter into the bin, so it could be recycled. Other than it will be polluted. Okay? It will make pollution in the air. Then if we grow plants, it's a good habit. But if we grow plants, or if we are not going to grow plants, ठीक है, या फिर हम plants को तोड़ देते हैं, हम फूलों को तोड़ते हैं, we pluck the flowers, it's the bad thing. We shouldn't do this. ठीक है. So the opposite of good is bad. Opposite of good is bad. Then number 4 is thick. Number 4 is thick. Thick. The opposite of thick is thin. Thin. थिक कहते हैं मोटे को. ठीक है, जो क्वांटिटी में थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है. एंड थिन कहते हैं पतले को, जो क्वांटिटी में बहुत कम होता है. ठीक है. Here you can see there is a book that is very thick and there is a book that is very thin. So these both are opposite of each other. Then there is a pencil that is very thin and the other is thick. ठीक है, जो इसके मुकाबले में काफ़ी मोटी है, काफ़ी thick है. ओके, यहाँ पे आप एक और चीज़ ये भी देख सकते हैं that these two pencils are, ये देखें, एक पेंसिल लंबी है, एक पेंसिल छोटी है, तो हम यहाँ इसके लिए एक और ऑपोजिट भी यूज़ करते हैं, टॉल एंड शॉर्ट. ठीक है, टॉल एंड शॉर्ट. एक और ऑपोजिट इसके लिए क्या यूज़ हो सकता है, टॉल एंड शॉर्ट. यू कैन सी हियर, ये लंबी है, टॉल है, और ये उससे नीचे है, शॉर्ट है. ठीक, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. आपको डिफरेंस नज़र आ रहा होगा. ठीक है, बट थिक एंड थिन. देन द फिफ्थ वन इज पुश. फिफ्थ वन इज पुश. पुश कहते हैं धक्का लगाने को, एंड पुल कहते हैं खींचने को. ठीक है, पुल कहते हैं खींचने को. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव विजिटेड मॉल और इफ़ यू विजिटेड अ स्टोर विद योर पेरेंट्स और एनी अदर रिलेटिव, ऑलवेज देयर इज़ ऑलवेज दिस काइंड ऑफ सिंबल्स ऑन द डोर. ठीक है, स्टोर के या फिर उसके मॉल के डोर पर अक्सर इस तरह के सिंबल्स बने होते हैं, या वॉशरूम के ऊपर ऐसे सिंबल्स बने होते हैं जहाँ पे डोर के ऊपर लिखा होता है पुश और पुल. इस तरह से सिंबल होते हैं ना, दैट मीन्स ये डोर जो है या तो ये पुश करने से खुलेगा या तो ये पुल करने से खुलेगा. ठीक है, अपनी तरफ खींचने से खुलेगा या फिर धक्का लगाने से खुलेगा. सो दिस इज these both are opposite of each other, push and pull. Okay, I have taught you the 5 of the words. Now what you have to do is, it's your turn now. You have to guess the opposite of the following words. So these are the words. You have to guess their opposites. You can pause the video, or you can write these words with you and you can write their opposites. Then you have to resume the video and match it with mine. Okay, happy, dry, wait, happy, dry, rich, tall, east. These are the words. ठीक है, what you have to do is pause this video for 10 to 20 seconds and write its opposites. Then you can see my answers and you can tally your work with my answers. Okay, so I'm going to reveal the answers. Answers are, yes, the opposite of happy is sad. Happy means khush, sad means khafa. ठीक है, then the opposite of dry is wet. Dry means sukha and wet means gila. Another example for this is when your mother washes the cloth. ठीक है, when she washes the cloth and the clothes get wet, वो गीले हो जाते हैं, and then what she do, she just place all those clothes in the sunlight. वो sunlight में या फिर धूप में वो सारे clothes को डालती हैं, so it may get dry. ठीक है, गीले कपड़े यानी कि वेट क्लोथ्स वो सनलाइट में डालती हैं, सो इट मे गेट ड्राई, उसको सुखाने के लिए. ठीक है, देन द ऑपोजिट ऑफ रिच इज पुअर. रिच कहते हैं अमीर को एंड पुअर मीन्स गरीब. ठीक है, देन टॉल. टॉल, the word tall, the opposite of tall is short. The word tall means lamba and short means chota, that is tall in height and short in height. Then the last word is east or west. East and west, both are direction. डायरेक्शंस हैं हमारे पास ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. ठीक है, इसके अलावा और कौन सी डायरेक्शंस हैं हमारे पास, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. बट वी कैन नॉट पुट द ऑपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट एज अ साउथ. ठीक है, हम ईस्ट का ऑपोजिट साउथ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज वो एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शंस में नहीं है. ठीक है, ऑपोजिट मीन्स आमने सामने वाली डायरेक्शंस में कौन कौन सी है, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. ठीक है, so this was all for today, my boys. I hope you have learned a lot new things in the class. So inshallah we'll meet in the next lecture, and till then you may practice these things at home in your rough notebooks. So we'll see you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.